camera. Can someone take a picture of this?
Yeah.
You got plenty.
He's being denied his witnesses right now.
He's being denied his witnesses, which is denial of due process, which makes everything that's said is completely void.
Get some names here. Anybody want to give their names so we've witness that these guys?
Why your names aren't on?
There's about 30 witnesses right now. I'm requesting 2 pieces of ID from each public official, and you're refusing it.
There's about 30 witnesses. We might not all be on your side.
Terry has been denied witnesses in the courtroom.
Yep, and they've refused, both officers have refused ID. To ID
Police officers guarding the
So you're
courtroom.
acting as a private citizen right now, right? So you're blocking it. Well, you're refusing ID. And if you don't answer me, then you've just tacitly agreed that you're refusing the ID. Right? You do it to us, right?
He's blocking.
I know,
You can't go through the door.
Yeah, they're blocking.
You're just standing there. In a public courtroom.
It's the people's court.
You guys don't even know what you're doing. We're fighting for freedom for all of us. You guys included, your family. Your kids, our grandchildren, the ancestors that fought and died in the wars for our freedom. You guys...
I'll be more than happy to stand here after you get it. Can I
Sorry. Yeah, okay, just for...
Can I please have your driver's license, ownership, and insurance, please?
Certainly I can.
Excellent.
And what have I done wrong again?
HTA infraction, sir.
HTA?
I've already explained it to you before you turn on the camera. Yes, may I please see your
What is an
documents?
HTA? I don't
Traffic
understand
Act.
that. Highway Traffic Act.
No, I already explained it to you.
What section under the Highway Traffic Act, if you don't mind?
Sir, did I not already explain it to you?
You did not.
Yes,
You did not
I did.
fully explain to me what it is that
But
I've done
I did
wrong.
explain to you why I stopped you.
Something about an
Driver's
amber.
license,
I don't know
ownership,
what.
and
I don't know what you mean by amber.
Driver's license, ownership, and insurance, please.
Sir, could you explain to me what it is that
Driver's license,
that I've been
ownership,
pulled
and
over
insurance,
for?
Okay, before you turn on the camera. Now, if you don't mind, and you are fully aware that it's an arrestable offense for not identifying yourself.
Yes, and I plan
Excellent.
to identify myself if I've done something wrong. Could you explain to me what it is that I've done wrong? What infraction? What law have I broken? According to you, what law have I broken that you're pulling me over?
Sir, I'll explain. I already told you, but
No.
I'll also give you another reason. The Highway Traffic Act lets me stop anybody at any time to check sobriety and ensure all documents are in order. Now, if you don't mind, I'd
So,
please like
so
to
you
see-
feel I'm drunk then?
No, I said sobriety and to ensure or to ensure that all documents are in order.
Yes,
i.e.
okay.
a licensed
Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to roll out the window and get out.
i.e. a licensed driver, and to make sure that the vehicle is insured and all documents are properly in order.
Okay,
That
well, I
is
can
the
assure you that I'm a licensed driver and I have all my
I'd like to
vehicles in
confirm
order.
that. And I'd like to confirm that.
Okay,
And-
but you haven't told me what I've done wrong. I haven't actually created an infraction. I haven't actually created an infraction. Have I?
There was an amber light that was an issue there at Fanshawe Park Road.
Okay, are you going to be issuing me a ticket for that then?
Sir, I'd like to see your documents.
Are you going to be
please.
issuing me a ticket for that?
Sir, I'd like to see your
Either you're going to issue me a ticket, okay, I'm either... Am I free to go or am I being detained? That's what I want to know here. You haven't answered me that question.
Sir, I'd like to see your documents. I don't know who you are. I need to see your documents.
That's fine. I can tell you who I am. Here's
Excellent.
one. Here's the insurance policy.
Excellent.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fantastic. How
Okay.
about your driver's license,
You
please,
you
sir?
still haven't told me why you're pulling me over, okay? I will give you my driver's license.
I've explained it to you. I've explained it
No,
to you
you
now
haven't.
on camera twice. Now, if you don't mind, I'd please like
What
to see
is the
your driver's
offense?
license.
You haven't given me a number. What is the highway traffic offense? Go look in your little book and tell me what the number is. I want to know what the...
We don't have to do that, sir. We don't have
Excuse
to
me,
do
you
that.
don't have to tell me what it is that you're pulling me
I'd
over
explain
for.
to you why.
That's martial law. You do have to explain to
Do
me
you
why
have
you're
your driver's
pulling me
license
over.
on you, sir? I don't know who I'm talking to right now.
Brother, he started in the army. He's not over in Afghanistan so that you guys can prevent people from their rights.
You guys are spitting on our ancestors' grave. They fought for freedom and died. Our grandparents, our great uncles, you can name them all. And you guys are fucking communists. Communist China. That's what you guys are acting like right now. Hope you're proud. Tacitly agreed they're communist China.
They're not. That's a public courtroom and they won't let me in. When I walk in, they won't. See? I can't walk in.
But remember, he can't touch you either.
You can grab the door. Well, I guess it's blocking the door. Your name has to be called. You can't do it. Your name has to be called.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license owner?
Yes, I have a driver's
or a
license.
health card? Anything that's
Yeah, I have all that stuff.
May I please see it? I need to ensure
Not
you're a
until
licensed
you
driver.
tell me what it is that I've done wrong. What Highway Traffic Act? Okay, you have to give me a number. You can't just say the whole act. Okay, the act is huge. You have to give me more than the act.
Sir, I've explained to you why I stopped you. I've given you enough reasons why I stopped you.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
You have not. You have not given me the act as to which. What act did I act? What?
Driver's license. Some sort of identification.
No,
please,
why
if
you
don't
pulled me
mind.
over? Not the driver's license.
Sir,
I'm
this is
asking
the
why you
10th
pulled.
time, approximately the 10th time I asked.
I'm asking you why you're pulling me over, sir. I want to know
Sir,
why.
this is approximately the 10th time I asked you for
And
a
I
piece of
understand, and it's
identification.
the 10th time
you
that
are
I've
aware
asked
under
you
the
what
Highway
I've done
Traffic
wrong.
Act that
You
you are
haven't-
to
what-
identify
what
yourself.
act?
It is
What
an
part of the
arrestable
act?
offense for
What
not
section?
identifying yourself.
What section?
Okay.
No, what section as far as the amber light's concerned am I dealing with? Tell me, what section? Look it up in your little book.
Sir, I
What
need to see your
section?
driver's
No,
license.
you need to tell me what section.
We're not making it up.
Sir, I need to just see your driver.
There's an
Then,
actual.
then tell me what the act is. Explain to me the act. I want to know what the act is.
You know what? You will get
You
that.
don't know
Sir.
the act?
I don't know the
Excuse me?
section number off by heart.
You don't
No,
know.
I don't know the section.
You're
number
pulling
off
me
by-
over, and you don't know the section number that you're pulling
off
me
by
over
heart?
for.
No, I-
They're still out here, they're doing their their fault.
She knows that. She's not going to
Take it up higher. They're doing their job.
Accept full commercial liability. Accept full commercial liability for your actions. Plenty of witnesses here.
Then go and look it up and tell me. I want to know. I have my rights, and my rights are. I need to know what it is.
Yes,
that you're
but you know what?
pulling
You
me over
can't
for.
use that
Tell
as-
me the
Sir, you
subsection,
cannot
and I
use
will
that
give
as
you
a
my driver's
deterrent
license.
to
Tell me
inflict-
the subsection, and I will give you my driver's license. Tell me the subsection, and I will give you the driver's license. Tell me what section
Sir,
of the
you
criminal
don't.
code.
You don't have to necessarily. You're asking for a lot, and you have yet to really given me much.
As per
You've given me
Much is
proof
the
of
same.
insurance.
And
I
I'll
still
go
don't know
and
who
get
you
the
are.
ownership, provided that
Okay,
you
you know
tell
what?
me
And then
what
I
it
will.
is.
And then you know what? When you give me something, I'll give you something back.
Okay, I'll give you an ownership then. How's that?
Excellent. No, I need your driver's license. If you want to know what act
You know
you
what?
are,
My door's locked. Sorry, I can't get in there.
well,
the
that's
keys are in it.
unfortunate then.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
The keys are in it. There's
Do you have a
nothing I can
mugshot
do.
on file with us by chance?
No.
Has your picture ever been taken by the London Police Service?
No.
No? Have you ever given your name before to the London Police Service?
No.
In regards to being a victim of an offense, reported anything lost or stolen
That I'm aware of? No.
that you're aware of? Okay.
If they were doing their job, they would be following the act, which would require them to produce 2 pieces of ID, actually 3, and a badge number on it.
Seriously. You're not.
No, it's all good. It's all good. I can hear two shit. It's a public place. It's a public place.
Wasting everybody's time.
You might like your rights being infringed upon, we don't, sorry.
When I grow up, I want to be just like you.
All right. I guess I got a travel day, but.
Come da poca picchita va bene.
Okay, we got this being pulled over here for the first time. Well, not really pulled over, he turned on his lights. Might as well save some gas.
Hello, sir.
Oh,
How are you?
not too bad.
Good. The reason I pulled you over, I've never seen your plate before. Is that a registered plate?
No, it's not registered, of course not.
No.
I'm exercising my common law right to travel.
Okay.
Can I ask who you are, though?
I'm Constable Schmutz with the London Police. Do you have your
Okay.
driver's license, ownership, and insurance with you?
Can I have your business card, please?
I don't have a business card. I'll give you all my details, okay? Can I
You must have a business card,
I
I'm sorry.
don't. Can I have your driver's license, ownership, and insurance, or identity?
I'll conditionally give that to you if you can prove that I must have such a thing.
Okay, fair enough.
Oh, one more thing.
Traffic Act, you're
I do have one thing for you, I'm sorry. In case you're not aware, so your superior should have. There's a fee schedule.
A what, sorry?
It's a fee schedule. It's been lawfully served upon the London Police Force. If you are a London police officer, I still haven't seen any identification as required by the Act.
Can I see your driver's license, ownership, and insurance, please and thank you?
No.
Well, you're required under the Highway Traffic Act to provide me with identification of yourself. You're operating a motor vehicle.
No, this is not a motor vehicle. I'm
How
sorry.
is this not a motor vehicle, sir?
This is an automobile. It's a private property. I have the right to travel and I'm exercising. I have a duty to defend my rights and exercise my right to travel.
What is this that you're providing me with, sir?
It's a fee schedule for you. You see, the London Police Force is a corporation. I'm sure you're aware of that. And if you are a police officer, you're kind of harassing me right now. We might as well call the police force Walmart. If Walmart tried to harass me in my everyday activities. Would you be happy with that?
If Walmart did?
Yeah, because the police force is just like Walmart. It's a corporation.
According to you. Okay, you stand by for a second. If you're refusing to give me identification?
I'm not refusing anything. You haven't...
Do you have any identification?
Sir, you have not provided me with identification, so I have no idea who you are.
What identification would you like for myself?
Okay, you're required to have a badge.
Okay, I have my badge. If you'd like to see my badge.
I certainly would.
I have it on me. It's in my car.
Okay, you are required to have a photo ID, like something plastic, laminated.
Yeah.
And you're required to have a business card.
Okay, if I show you that, would you show me your identification?
If you will provide me with a business card,
okay,
I can maybe give you my common law.
Okay, you hang tight for a second, okay?
Sure. A little nervous there. We'll see how this goes, though. Might end up losing a few hours today. I'll roll that window up a bit. I don't want to get tased. He's making a call in now. We'll see how that goes. He hasn't called for backup yet. Oh, here comes backup. A little nervous. Not as bad as I thought it'd be. He's talking to his buddy. Get that on film there. I can't really... There we go. I'll turn that around. Maybe you can see what I'm shooting. Yeah, what happened was I passed him going down Rideout. I could tell he was looking at my plate at the front. And I kept my eye on him in my back mirror, and he managed to turn around and figure out which street I took. Doing a lot of chatting, not sure what to do. And there's, I think there's 2 officers in that other cruiser. If they are officers, they haven't given me any ID yet. And, oh, a 3rd officer has shown up. Uh-oh. Oh, and they're chit-chatting with the 3rd guy that's shown up. Female's gotten out of the other cruiser. Okay, now we have one guy coming up here. Let's see what he's got.
How you doing?
What's bad?
So this is, no, not the same guy I thought of.
No? Have you dealt with this before?
No, because he doesn't want to identify himself?
Yeah.
He's arrested, right? He's arrested, that's fine. He doesn't want to identify himself, that's fine.
He's obscured his VIN number.
Hmm?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, sir. I'm
Yes?
going to show you my identification. I'm going to give you one last chance to identify yourself, okay? And if you don't identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you for failing to identify yourself.
Okay,
because
well,
this is considered a motor vehicle, okay?
No, not okay. But,
here's your last chance. See?
Can I have your...
London Police Service.
Yes, can I have your...
Constable Schmutz with the London Police Service.
But can I have your business card,
Okay,
please?
you don't need a business card. That's a piece of paper. This is a warrant card that tells you who I am.
No, sorry,
okay?
that's not a warrant card. I'm
gonna
sorry.
give you one last chance, okay, for you to identify yourself.
If you are a police officer, there will be no violence from me, I guarantee.
Fair enough.
Okay.
I am a police officer. I can assure you that. And these 2 officers here are also police officers. Okay? I'm going to give you one last chance to provide me with identification.
I'm going to ask you...
Yourself. Okay?
Can you prove that I must have something
Yes.
called identification?
Under the Highway Traffic Act, there's numerous
But,
forms
you see,
of identification that you can provide
This isn't
me
a
with.
vehicle, and only vehicles
Okay, it is a motor vehicle.
are applied
Okay.
under the Traffic
Can
Act.
you put that down because I'm going to arrest you for failing to identify yourself under the Highway Traffic Act, okay? Okay, put the video down. Unbuckle your seatbelt, please.
Under protest and duress, please.
Okay.
Well, you note that I will do this under protest and duress.
Okay.
Will you note that, please?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Si tu la parla miezza americano.
Stay asleep, sheeple.
Are you willing to accept full commercial liability for your actions?
If you'd like to wait outside,
Are you willing?
to accept full commercial liability? I'm just asking you a question. Are you willing to accept full commercial liability for the actions of not letting us in the
Of
court?
denying people a witness and access to the public court, people's
you?
court.
Non-compliance is guilty.
Yeah,
Non-compliance acknowledged.
You don't answer.
That's a yes.
That's a yes.
If you don't answer, that's a yes. As you all know, if you don't come to court for your traffic tickets, non-acceptance is considered a confirmation. So they've confirmed that they will accept.
Quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna.
Although I have a short memory.
It's quite possible. It's quite possible. Although you did remember that we were at the courthouse, so I would have to say.
Remember that I was at the courthouse. And you guys have lots to say now, but you didn't have much to say earlier.
Well, I have a reason to have direct contact with you now, sir. Right? That's the reason why.
Yeah, because of the court.
No.
Yes, because of the
Because
court.
you committed an offense.
Not because I got in your face at the court office.
You did not get in my face in the court office.
I did.
No, you
I
didn't.
asked you a whole bunch of questions and you wouldn't answer me.
Yeah, that's not getting in my face, sir.
Well, you wouldn't allow me into the courtroom, into a public courtroom. I have that all on tape.
Excellent.
And not this tape, which you won't be getting.
I don't need it. 144 subsection 16. No, this is my documents. Okay, 144 subsection 15 of the Highway Traffic Act. That's all you need to know.
Which dictates...
I've already told them.
Which dictates what?
I've already told you why I stopped you, okay?
What does
You
that
asked,
affect?
no, you asked me the section, I gave it to you. You didn't ask me for specifics, right? Fair is fair, sir. Thank you. I appreciate your fairness.
Come da venga, vedi I love you. Papa l'americano. Papa l'americano. Papa l'americano. Papa l'americano. Papa l'americano.
I appreciate your fairness.
I'll try to.
No, that's okay. I'm very satisfied now who I'm talking to, sir.
L247461977211014. That's who you're talking to.
Yeah, excellent. I just want to make sure you don't have another driver's license. This one expired in 2007.
I don't. It's been reinstated though.
Has it been?
Yeah.
Through the government or
No, through you guys.
through us?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Well, through the government, I suppose. Yeah.
Oh, through the Ministry of Transportation?
Ministry.
Excellent, sir. I'll tell you what, I don't need this. You can have this back. I'm satisfied.
That's mine.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Well, whoever it is, I'm satisfied that the vehicle is insured. Excellent. Thank you.
Can't show you the ownership because I locked the door. Keys inside the car.
You know what? I'm a fair person, and that seems. I can see that the door is locked, and I'm not going to give you. I'm not going to make an issue out of it. We mistakenly sometimes lock our cars, right? Sometimes people have keys in their hands. Sometimes they don't. But I'm not going to make a big deal out of something and turn this into a gong show, so to speak. You know.
Okay.
I'm not saying. I don't know what you're talking about. There's
The
no.
courthouse. You don't remember me from the courthouse?
I absolutely remember you.
Half an hour ago, you remember
I
me from the
absolutely-
courthouse?
yes, sir.
I'm glad that you remember me from the courthouse half an hour ago.
Absolutely.
Our friends in blue.
Papa l'americano.
Yeah,
Non-compliance acknowledged.
You don't answer.
That's a yes.
That's a yes.
If you don't answer, that's a yes. As you all know, if you don't come to court for your traffic tickets, non-acceptance is considered a confirmation. So they've confirmed that they will accept